Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you some amazing tips on how to take your conversation with ChatGPT to the next level. As we know, ChatGPT is a very powerful tool that can help you in many different ways, whether you're looking for information, advice, or just having some plain old fun conversation. But how do you use it like a pro and get 10 times more smarter answers with expert ChatGPT prompts? Well, you're about to find out in this video. I'll be showing you some of the most effective prompts and techniques that will help you get the most out of ChatGPT and take your conversation to the next level. So get ready to learn. Let's dive in. Generally, when you're new to ChatGPT, you'll probably be asking ChatGPT something like this. Give me 10 Facebook post headlines to promote my detox program. And ChatGPT will likely to give you this kind of answers. This kind of answers is generally okay, but it's not really effective. So the wiser way to use ChatGPT to get better response is to ask ChatGPT to act like an expert of something to give you better response. This is an example of how you can do it. I want you to act as a social media manager. In that way, ChatGPT will know what it is required to do or perform. It will give you smarter response, such as transform your body in 30 days without detox program, more powerful as compared to the general ones out there. But even better, you can ask it to focus down on your particular niche as well. So you get something like this. I want you to act as a dietitian and a social media manager with basically your requirements. And the way it can give you is cleanse your body and mind with just our 7-day detox program. So this is the kind of answers that you can get to make it so much more powerful and much smarter. This is how the pros do it. So for example, if you want legal advice, you can use this prompt. I want you to act as a legal advisor. I will describe you the legal situation and you will provide me advice on how to handle it. Or an example, if you want to give healthy diet advice, ask it to act as a dietitian. As a dietitian, I would like you to design a recipe, a meal plan, or whatnot. In that case, ChatGPT will understand what sort of personality or what sort of an expert that it should portray like. That way, you can increase your conversion rate and increase your engagement as well. Now, if you want a series of expert ChatGPT prompts, check out this website. So this website is by GitHub. I'll share the link in the description below. What it does is that it gives you some starter expert ChatGPT prompts, such as example, becoming a travel guide, act as a plagiarism checker, act as an advertiser. So there's quite a lot here that will get you started to create better responses, smarter answers. So I'll place this link in the description below, so do check that out. If you want more ideas on how to make money with ChatGPT, I place a link in the description below, so do check that out. So yeah, that's it. As you can see, putting the right response by asking ChatGPT to act as the relevant expert will give you better response and smarter answers. So that is the way how professionals use ChatGPT to get better answers. So now you know how to become a professional ChatGPT user. Go and prosper. By the way, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you will not miss a new video. And if you enjoy this content, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. And if you like more videos like this, definitely check out some of the videos that I'll be posting right here. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.